Systems of equations. Skills needed, day 2, solving systems of equations using substitution method, understanding when you should. All right, so this example says x equals x plus y equals -1 and y equals x plus 5. So the couple bullets that I have there says if one of the equations is not already solved for one of the variables, do so. When one of the equations is solved for the variable from the start, substitution method is the ideal method to use to solve, like this one. Since y equals x plus 5, this means that y is the same as, parentheses x plus 5. So where we see a y in the other equation, we'll now replace it with x plus 5. So let's put into practice what that means. That means this and this are the same thing. So I am going to replace this y with that x plus 5 over here. So I have my equation, x plus y is equal to -1. And now I'm going to replace the y with the x plus 5. Everything else in that equation remains the same. I am substituting in x plus 5 for the y. So then I have 2x plus 5 is equal to -1. Subtract 5, subtract 5. 2x is equal to -6. Divide by 2. Divide by 2, x equals -3. Well, now I have the x value. I need to put this back into the equation to get the y. I might as well choose this equation right here that is solved for y. Again, where I see an x, I'm now going to do a -3. And you get y equals 2. So then your final answer would be -3, 2. That is the point where they cross. So the solution is -3, 2. All right, so here I have 3x plus y equals 5 and 2x plus 4y equals -10. To do this with substitution, I'm going to take this one and solve for y. And I'm doing that because the y is sitting there by itself. That is why I'm choosing that. So I have 3x plus y equals 5. Y equals -3x plus 5. Now, I have a y value. I have what y equals. So I'm going to do that. And I put in here, hint, make sure you use parentheses. So here I've got 2x plus 4y is equal to -10. So 2x plus 4 times -3x plus 5 is equal to -10, thus the need for parentheses. So 2x minus 12x plus 20 is equal to -10. So then here I've got -10x plus 20 equals -10. -10x is equal to -30. X equals 3. So again, that's great. Now I need to plug in the y value. So I come over here and I go, okay, so y equals -3 times 3 plus 5. Y equals -9 plus 5. Y equals -4. So then I say the solution is 3, -4. Now, the last type is, what do we do with problems like this, where it's y equals -2x plus 5 and y equals 1/2 x. So now we have two equations that are already solved for the same variable. So we get to set the other parts equal to each other since y is the same thing as y. That's what you'll hear me say. Y is the same thing as y. So stuff is equal to stuff. Okay, so this means -2x plus 5 is equal to 1/2 x. Okay, so there's a couple ways that you could do this. One of which is you could say, all right, well, I want to multiply times 2 over 1 times 2 to get rid of that fraction of my x. When I do so, I get -4x plus 10 is equal to x, which is wonderful. So I'm going to add 4x to both sides, and I get 10 is equal to 5x, and thus x is equal to 2. So now I need to plug it in. Well, I'm going to take the easier one and plug it in up here. Y is equal to negative 2x. I guess actually that one was pretty easy too. Plus 5. So y is equal to negative 2 times 2 plus 5. Y is equal to negative 4 plus 5. Y is equal to 1. So then I finish it up with the solution is 2, 1.